I've had patients who came to me, like they came to me for that treatment and they saw me using that kind of peel and they used it at home by themselves and they burned themselves because of that. A plasma, something like a yellow portion, comes out of their own blood and that is called PRP. So that is what we inject in your scalp. Hi, I'm Dr. Rizan Fernandez. I'm a cosmetologist and you're watching me on Goa Talks. So I'm a cosmetologist, I'm a trichologist, and I'm a nutritionist. I graduated in Nagpur. I did my graduation in Nagpur. And then after that, I did my cosmetology. I did my master's in aesthetic medicine, which was in Bangalore. And right now I'm pursuing MBA in entrepreneurship. It's been few months. It's been 8 months and I've started my clinic called Cosmoveda, which is in Panjim. I love dancing. I love to paint. My mom is an artist, so that's, I think, I got something from her. So I love to paint. So as a kid, I was very insecure about my acne. Curly hair back then was not considered cool. Like people used to make fun of me. So yeah, I was very insecure as a kid and I don't know, I just love this field. I love making people look beautiful. At Cosmoveda, we provide laser treatments. We have skin rejuvenation treatments. We have medifacials. We have treatments for your hair, like GFCs and PRP. That's something that's very trending. We have IVs. We have IV for glutathione, that is for your skin. And then we have IVs for weight loss. We have something called, that's very cool, we have something called M-Sculpt. We have something called Pool Sculpt. So that's like machines which freezes your fats. So that's like an alternative to surgery. One thing that is very common among girls is PCOD. So PCOD is like you start getting facial hair. So that is one thing that a lot of patients come to me for. And the other one is glutathione IV. So everybody wants to look good, before their marriage and they want the glowing skin. So that is one thing. That's another thing. And then this weight loss. So people avoid going to gym. They're lazy. So they come to me for M-Sculpt or Pool Sculpt. That's like an alternative to surgery. Surgery is something that's very expensive. Okay, so the treatment starts with a consultation first. Okay, so when I do a consultation, I ask them a lot of questions in detail. Okay, so basically, acne, there are multiple causes for that. Okay, so it's not just like you have acne, okay, take this tablet and it's done. There are multiple causes like dandruff, your hormonal changes, your diet plays a big role. So there are a lot of causes for that. So you need to figure out what is the cause of it. And then according to that, then I tell this treatment is something that you can go ahead with, or this, sometimes you don't require any treatment as such. You just maintain it with your diet or so and it's sorted. The main cause I can say is the lifestyle. Nowadays our lifestyle it's not healthy. We eat a lot of junk food and alcohol, smoking. So I think lifestyle plays a big role in all this problems that you're facing right now. And in our clinic, see, when they come to me, I tell them that you're starting a treatment, but if you're going to continue all this, then there's no use coming to me. You need to stop something that's causing all this to happen in the first place. So yeah, so once they can control all that, then we can start with the treatment. Treatment, first of all, is just not like on us. Like you come to me and you expect some miracle. It's also about you. How are you going to take care of yourself? Glutathione is something that is naturally produced in our body. But as we grow older, it becomes less because of some pollution or stress or diet and all. So those are like, it's an IV. We also get tablets. Okay, but tablets, we say that, it's not as effective. In glutathione IV, what we do is we directly put it inside your bloodstream. So that's like 100%, it gets utilized. Glutathione IV, it's not only for skin, it's also for your overall body health, it's like an detox for your body. I think first thing is you need to accept that you're not going to turn into a 16-year-old person. Basically when you become old, your skin becomes a little loose. You start seeing sagginess in your skin. So that is something which we can help out. There are multiple treatments for that. There's something called HIFU. So it's an alternative to facelift surgery. If you've heard about that, facelift, like it just tightens your skin. So that is one thing that you can. It's very good for somebody who wants to look younger. See, everything has, there are some kind of side effects or something that everything has. All, even surgeries if you go to see, they do have some kind of side effects. But as compared to surgeries, this is quite safe because lasers basically, they are not something very strong. What we use on the skin is very weak kind of lasers. And if you're using the laser properly, then, there are no side effects as such. And if you're talking about side effects, then there are those minor bruises and all, but those are something that just fade off very soon. Yeah, there are some patients who have tried treatments with other doctors and they did not find any results. And then they come to me and then they find the results, they'd be so grateful. They'd be like, I did the good thing coming to you. So there are many like that. I'll tell you one. There was one patient who was suffering from under-eye pigmentation. Okay, so she has a daughter who's a kid, who's a teenager basically. She's a teenager and she ashamed to take her mother out anywhere. So she came to me and she literally started crying. She was like, not only my daughter, it's also my husband. They're really ashamed to roam around with me. They don't take me anywhere and all. And then within the span of 3 months, there was this huge change in her face. The under eyes had literally gone off hers. And that happiness I saw, like the confidence was, I don't know, it was just amazing. So yeah, that's one thing that I remember still. I do yoga. Okay, I do yoga. I avoid having junk food. I avoid having sugar. And then there's something called chemical peels, which I suggest all my patients also to go ahead with at least once in 3 months. So that is something which I love. Chemical peel is basically removing your top layer of your dead skin cells. So that is something that I go ahead with a lot of times. So chemical peel are various types. Okay, there are mild chemical peels, there are aggressive chemical peels. So the mild ones usually you just keep them about 2-3 minutes on your face and then you can see some peeling that happens within few days. So it's the top layer that it sheds off. After the peeling happens, then you can see the glow on your face. There are some chemical peels that are for pigmentation. Okay, so that basically just reduces your pigmentation over time. So there are various kind of chemical peels. There are some chemical peels. There's one chemical peel called TCA. So that is something where you can see your skin shedding off like snakes. Like how snakes shed their skin off. So that's something that's very aggressive kind of chemical peel. One thing that I want to tell is that there are some peels that you get them in the market, and peels are basically not supposed to be used by anybody because it's strong kind of acid. Okay, so I've had patients who came to me, like they came to me for that treatment and they saw me using that kind of peel and they used it at home by themselves and they burned themselves because of that. So I advise that don't go ahead with chemical peels at home. You get them in the market easily, it's easily available. I don't know how you're getting them, but don't use them at home. There are different kind of makeups. Okay, you get different brands and also just study on the brands because there are some makeups which are very safe. They don't have any kind of reaction in your body, on your face. And there are some makeups that you get them in the local market and also you don't know how safe they are, how hygienic they are in making their makeup. So if you're using a good quality makeup, you can go ahead with it. There's no harm in using makeup. Make sure that you're doing a skin treatment also at the same time because when you have your skin treatments done, you don't actually require makeup because you're glowing already. Hair loss is because of many reasons. Okay, one reason is dandruff. The other reason is because of their lifestyle. The third reason is because of stress. The fourth reason is because of some kind of deficiency in their body. Okay, so you need to rule that out. Before starting any kind of treatment, you need to rule that out first. And then there are treatments in my clinic called PRP and GFCs. Okay, so PRP is basically we withdraw your own blood, and in a centrifugal machine, it goes down really fast, and in that machine, a plasma, something like a yellow portion, comes out of your own blood, and that is called PRP. So that is what we inject in your scalp. So that is one treatment that we go ahead with for balding. If you're somebody who's going to get married soon, you want to glow. So, or you're somebody who's a model, actor, actresses. So you basically show a lot of your skin. So body polishing is something that, is very effective. So we have dead skin cells. Okay, that is why our skin looks a little dull. So body polishing basically, it removes all the dead skin cells. Alright. Now body polishing can be done by anybody who wants to look nice. Okay, now there are some people who are insecure about acne on their back. Right, so that is something where you can go ahead with. I recommend, I advise everyone to take care of themselves. Okay, we tend to neglect our self-care. We are so busy with work and everything else that we tend to forget ourselves. We tend to forget our self-care. All right, but when you talk to somebody else, when you talk to a client or when you talk to a friend, the first thing they notice is how we look like, how our skin is, how our hair is. So basically, we are like a walking visiting card, right? So we have to take care of ourselves. And yeah, there are kids right now. There's this last patient that I saw who was a 9-year-old kid, and she started getting gray hair. So yeah, there are kids, who are suffering. Drink a lot of water. Okay, water is something which is very important. Avoid sugar. Okay, sugar is like a poison. Avoid junk food, I would say. Okay, junk food is something where if you're gaining weight or you have a lot of acne and all, then you should avoid eating junk food, oily food, spicy food. Okay, for the hair, I would say use flaxseed. Okay, so flaxseed with some oil, some essential oil, that's very, very helpful for the hair. For the skin, I'd say turmeric. So turmeric is something which is very good. Okay, you could go ahead with turmeric. Hi, my name is Rizan Fernandez and thank you for watching me on Let's Go Up.